putting in your Oster 3-aught blade line, you're going to put in an Oster 5-aught blade line. This will be creating the shortest length to this skin fade. Now remember, this fade is going to be half detachable, half adjustable. This is normally how I do most of my skin fades that are all the way around, or my low skin fades or my high skin fades. From here, you're going to put on the Oster 4-aught blade, and basically you're going to be taking out the Oster 5-aught line that you just put in. Taking out this line is primarily easy. You're just going to go about 3/4 of the way into the subsection and flick it out. Now you're going to want to slap on the Oster 1 blade, going up about a 1/2 inch to an inch, just basically making sure you give yourself enough room to blend out that 3-aught line. Now you're going to want to put on the Oster OA blade, and basically you'll be going up 3/4 of the subsection, flicking on that line, doing whatever you can to try to take that line out. Now you're going to put on the Oster 3-aught blade, which is what we originally put this line in with, and you're just going to be attacking any dark spots that you may see in the fade. Switch gears and go with the Stylecraft Eargo and put on the Wall Premium 1 guard, and we're going to be going up a 1/2 inch to an inch, creating our next guideline. Next, you're going to put on your Wall Premium half guard, and you're going to start with it halfway closed, and you're going to go up 3/4 of the way of the fade, basically flicking it out, using your lever in different ways. As you see, I'm going to close it up right here and still flick on the line, doing whatever you can to attack those dark spots that you may see. Now you can either do the Oster 1 blade as we put the line in with, or you can take the clipper open and attack any dark spots that you may see. Next, we're going to start with our wall premium 1.5 guard, going over about a ½ inch to an inch. This will be our next guideline in this fade. To take this line out, you're going to be put on the wall premium 1 guard, and basically I start with it halfway closed, and you're going to be flicking out on the line 3/4 of the way up until you see as if the line is dissipated. Be polishing the blend. That's basically looking for any dark spots. You might put on a 1.5, a 1.5, a clipper open. You're just doing whatever you can to make sure you tie the blend in together. Now, taking out this final line, I like to stack the guards at the top. So you're going to take a wall premium 4 guard, and in a flick out motion, you're going to be debulking this haircut. Following the same steps, we're going to put on the wall premium 3 guard, and then we're going to go a little bit lower than we did with the 4 in a flick out motion just to debulk everything. Same steps apply with the wall premium 2 guard. You're going to start with it open and a flick out motion. Now this, you'll kind of see the line dissipate just a little bit, but you know that there's one more step after. Now finally, putting on the wall premium 1.5 guard, you're going to use this, start with it open, and this is going to be the guard that will take that line out for you. You're going to spray your client with a little spritz on this lineup and then brush it down and use the cold setting on a blow dryer. Now this will hold the hair in place, so it will make it a lot easier when you go to line them up. I like to build my corners first. As you'll see here, I start in the left corner, and I'm going to start with the vertical bar, and I'm going to do the left corner of the hairline. for this client, he likes the enhancement, so I'm going to enhance his line. Basically, when you do this, just spray the card and the enhancement will splash onto the line. This is the cut, and if you like it, leave a follow, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at JeffFadedIt, and I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.